Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make this juicy, tender, and delicious baked turkey wings recipe. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to thumbs it up and let's begin. First thing first, I am going to start prepping my veggies. I'm using carrots, celery, potatoes, and onions. However, you can use whatever vegetables that you do have on hand. Once I'm done, I'm going to set my veggies aside, moving on to the turkey wings. Now these are nice and clean turkey wings. I do have a recipe on how to clean your turkey wings. I will leave that below for you guys. This is about 4 pounds of turkey wings. Once I'm done cutting all of them, we'll be ready to season. Now that I'm done with my turkey wings, I am going back to the vegetables. I am going to season my vegetables. Yes, this is the way that I like to season them. I am going to drizzle some olive oil on there. A little bit too much, but now I'm going to season with ground black pepper, paprika, Creole seasoning, and some garlic powder as well. Mix that together really well. I love over season my vegetable, whatever kind of vegetables it is. I love over seasoning it. That way I don't have to taste it. Okay, but these are fine. I love me some celery. I love me some carrots. So yeah, once I'm done, set that aside. Moving on to our turkey. Drizzle some olive oil on the turkey. Then these are the seasoning. You already know these seasoning combination is absolutely delicious. Okay, I will leave that below for you. I believe there's onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, ground black pepper, Creole seasoning, celery, salt, all of that good stuff. Okay, you can make this ahead of time, like literally make yourself a big old jar and save it. Whenever you're cooking chicken, just grab that. It's so good. So I'm going to season. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what to do. Now that's what I call well-seasoned turkey wings. So I am going to grab my baking dish, pour my vegetables right in there, and make sure it's nice and flat so we can place the turkey on top. I'm going to place the turkey, give them some space, okay, so they can breathe and bake properly. And for some reason, I love adding some more seasoning on top of the turkey. It just makes it cherry on top, okay? So now this is what we're working with. Ooh, looking so good. Now we're going to cover this, okay? Don't bake it uncovered. Cover it, and we're going to bake it on 350 for 2 hours. Or longer. It depends on how much turkey you're cooking, but I bake this for 2 hours covered, and to get that nice brown color on top, just turn on your broiler on your oven, and you should have that beautiful golden brown color on top. Yes, look at this. Tell me this doesn't make your mouth waters. And you guys, this is the recipe. Absolutely incredibly delicious. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Now, if this video was helpful, like I said, don't forget to hit it with a thumbs up for me because that really helps me a lot. And I want to thank you guys so much for clicking on today's recipe. I will be dropping a video almost every day because Thanksgiving is here, and I'm about to show you guys all the different kind of recipes. So stay tuned for those. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.